The BMW S1000RR is one of those motorcycles that instantly grabs attention, not just because of its speed but because of the sheer engineering brilliance packed into every detail. At first glance, the exterior makes a statement of aggression and precision. The aerodynamic fairings are designed not only to cut through the wind but also to give the bike a razor-sharp look. The front is dominated by its sleek LED headlights and winglet-style elements that hint at its racing DNA. Every curve, every vent, and every angle of this machine has a purpose, combining beauty with function to enhance performance on both the road and the track. Its sharp tail section, slim profile, and lightweight bodywork give it the look of a predator ready to strike, making the S1000RR stand out as one of the most aggressive superbikes of its time. When it comes to technology, BMW has loaded this machine with some of the most advanced systems available on two wheels. You get a 6.5-inch TFT display that provides crystal-clear information on speed, riding modes, and telemetry, with customizable layouts to suit your preference. The bike offers riding modes like rain, road, dynamic, and race, with optional pro modes for riders who really want to push boundaries. Dynamic traction control, cornering abs, wheelie control, and engine braking management work seamlessly to keep the rider safe while unleashing extreme performance. You also get features like launch control for drag-style starts, quickshifter for clutchless upshifts and downshifts, and a data logging system that makes every ride feel like you're analyzing a race. BMW's shift cam technology further enhances performance by adjusting valve timing for smooth power delivery across the rev range. Step onto the S1000RR and the interior, if we may call it that, is built entirely around the rider. The ergonomics are aggressive yet surprisingly comfortable for a superbike. The riding triangle puts you in a focused position, but the adjustable seat and clip-on handlebars make it usable for longer rides, not just track sessions. High-quality materials are everywhere, from the lightweight aluminum frame to the carbon fiber components available in the M package. The TFT screen is intuitive to use, operated via BMW's signature multi-controller on the handlebar, so you can switch settings without taking your hands off the grips. Everything about the cockpit feels premium, minimalist, and designed for performance riders who demand instant control. The heart of the BMW S1000RR is its engine, a 999cc inline-4 that delivers around 205 horsepower and 113 Nm of torque. It's capable of sprinting from 0 to 100 km/h in just about 3 seconds and reaching a top speed north of 299 km/h. What makes this engine special is how it delivers power. Smooth at low revs, ferocious at high revs, and with a soundtrack that screams superbike dominance. Thanks to BMW's shift cam variable valve technology, the engine adapts seamlessly, giving you flexibility for city rides and absolute brutality on the track. Combined with a lightweight chassis, optimized suspension, and perfect weight distribution, the handling is razor-sharp, allowing the rider to lean aggressively into corners with total confidence. In terms of price, the BMW S1000RR sits in the premium superbike segment. Depending on the market and configuration, it ranges between $18,000 and $25,000, with higher trims like the M package pushing it further up. The M package adds carbon wheels, a lighter battery, and sportier ergonomics, shaving weight and improving performance even more. While it's not cheap, riders are essentially paying for a race bike with street legality and cutting-edge technology, making it a worthy investment for enthusiasts who want the best of the best. Now, let's talk about hidden features, those small details that make the S1000RR even more impressive. One of them is the bike's launch control system, which is perfect for track starts, managing torque and power delivery so you can rock it off the line like a pro. Another is the pit lane limiter, which lets you set a maximum speed when entering pit lanes or even for controlled riding in certain conditions. The suspension setup is semi-active, meaning it adapts to the road surface in real time, providing unmatched comfort and stability. The bike also has a unique slide control feature in Pro mode, which allows controlled drifting by letting the rear wheel slide at specific angles, something straight out of MotoGP technology. Even the aerodynamics hide a secret. The winglets and body design create downforce, keeping the front wheel planted during extreme acceleration. What makes the BMW S1000RR legendary is that it balances raw power with advanced rider aids. It's not just a machine for seasoned racers but also for those stepping into the superbike world with ambition. BMW has engineered it to be forgiving when needed yet merciless when unleashed, giving riders the freedom to explore their limits with confidence. Every twist of the throttle, every gear shift, and every lean into a corner reminds you that this is not just transportation, it's a piece of engineering art built to thrill, dominate, and inspire. The BMW S1000RR is more than just a superbike. It's a statement of speed, technology, and passion for performance. It's for those who don't just ride, but live to ride. On the street, it turns heads. On the track, it breaks records. And in the heart of its rider, it creates an unshakable bond that only a machine of this caliber can deliver.